In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off macro mode on iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, let me show you how macro mode works by default. If we place some object close enough to our camera, it will automatically activate macro mode, so it will switch to wide angle lens, and also it will turn on that macro mode. However, we can manually turn it off if it is necessary. All you have to do in that case is just head over to settings and then scroll down and get into camera settings. After that, scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find the option which is called macro control. If it is turned on, it will allow your camera to automatically switch to wide angle lens and to automatically turn macro mode on if you put some object close to your camera. However, if we turn it off and then if we go to camera and if we'll try to put some object close to the camera, we can find out that macro mode is no longer turning on automatically. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.